I'm just trying to get used to the lines, what's fast, what's not fast.
There we go.
Not doing this again with you.
Yeah, lads.
Yo, yo, yo! It's been an absolutely boiling day, like absolutely boiling day, but there was a little bit of a meet slash track day on at Three Sisters, which is not that far from me. It's literally about a 10-minute drive. So we're gonna take the Clio on track, guys. It's been a while. But I say she's ready. I've still not changed the oil in it, but the oil's look okay. It's not that dark. Got some spare on the back. We just topped up the oil. We got our helmet. We're all ready to go. We're gonna take for a few laps around Three Sisters. I'm gonna have to, I think it's like £20 for like 15 minutes or something, but I probably might go on a few different times than that. But we need some fuel. We're gonna meet Jesse at the Shell, which is around about a few minutes away. Get some fuel, and we're both gonna go down to Three Sisters. I think he's brought his helmet, so he's gonna do passenger. Teach him how to do some racing lines, you know what I mean? And he can get some outside the shots then as well. And hold my bag while I go on tracks. I've got all the camera stuff in there and that. But yeah, should be a fun little video. It's probably a little bit too hot for the Clio. It probably might overheat. But we'll have to see how we get on. Hoping it'll cool down a little bit. Maybe go on later about 8, so it ends at like 10 o'clock. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. And it's gonna be a fun little day. Now the car is definitely not track ready. I've still not changed the brakes. Which is like, the brakes are just horrific. I've still not got the tracking done, and I've still got ditch finder tyres. But I'm just gonna send out. Look who we found. A rare J3 ESC. Here we go. Yes, boys. Let's have some fun. Right, let's get a good little spot, shall we? And we'll go. Are you ready for a Clio to overheat? Are you ready for a Clio to overheat? Nah, it's gonna happen, man. You're a dickhead, mate. Yeah, this is gonna overheat like fuck. But have you got your tools? I'm thinking if it does, I'll just take the bumper off.
Oh yeah, I've got tools to
Right, okay, yeah. Because it's way too hot, man. It's way too hot. So I've heard that this has got some sort of a Kawasaki engine in it or something. Set up there as well. I'm not sure how it works. It's quite quiet, which is good, but like there's no people queuing up in the pit lane, so I don't know if they're just going to be like on and off whenever you want. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to go down there. I need to get briefed on that, so I'm going to go down here, go in for the first bit, see how she goes, and then see if anyone wants to come passenger in a bit if they've got their own helmet. But well, let's go down to the pits.
What I look like fucking cleaning a car.
Yeah, you look like a dickhead.
Yeah.
I need to move over to the GoPro camera, but I think it's just us for this lot, isn't it? How long have they got left?
We've got
Oh, these ones got left. Oh. You've been in the sun, mate? Your face is a bit tanned.
I'm fucking melting.
By tanned, I mean red.
We got 3 minutes left.
Oh, right, okay, cool. Here we go, guys. The brakes are shit. I know this is a horrible corner. Everyone ditches it on this corner because you've got so much lift off. You lose all your downforce. This corner here is dangerous. You lose all your downforce and everyone bins it to the left up there. gripping the tyres. Temperature's doing good though. Brakes aren't. Really need some new brakes. I can feel how shit these brakes are. That was a nice corner. I've never done this track in this car, so I'm just trying to get used to the lines, what's fast, what's not fast. It's quite a fast lap for my first time out, to be fair. Just trying to tighten up my lines. I'm carrying way too much speed going into the corner. Way too much speed going into the corner. I've got this line really well here. Got that line really well now. Same as this one. You know, I feel like I've nailed this now. Just tuck in, nice come out, nice hard on the brakes. Opening just a little bit, that's a little bit too much. On this, slow in, you can carry the speed through here, barely have to, just nice and wide. Great line, great. Coming in again, just kiss that white line, not too much on the grass, but just enough. Need to get harder on this corner, brake harder, cut through. That's miles better, miles better. Temperature's good for some reason, I don't know how, but it is. Power straight through here, kiss this little apex. Nice. Yeah, just nice and smooth, sliding through. Same here, just kissing the grass. Just kissing the grass. Harder on the brakes this corner, second gear. Right, temperature's coming up now, so I'm gonna have to back up a little bit. Yeah, so I'm in the same issues again as last time I went on track. The power steering's just boiling over. Power steering fluid just keeps boiling over. That's fucking well annoying. And the brakes are horrific, tyres are horrific, and it just feels so soft and wallowy. It's like I'm driving a boat, mate. Does it not? Yeah, the brakes are like the main thing I need is the fucking brakes. But yeah, she's done alright, man. I thought I fucking dropped my gearbox out at one point up there. Did you miss a gear? No, I went down to second and I must have just left my clutch up too quick. It went boom! And I was like, oh no, I thought my gearbox on floor. We're gonna take a bumper off. So you can help me. Because it was overheating, I think that'll sort it out. Hello James! I think this just there we go. This side, I think this side does have a bolt, but yeah, Jesse, just.
That's a mad design. That it's like invisible quick release.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, all that. Let's see. I think it just yanks and comes off.
Oh, that Civic's gorgeous. Is he straight on, not scared? No, he isn't. Let me come from rear pass. Go on, you film for Lee. Look, there we go. If we just want to look over here. Nice cars, Civic, nice cars. What? Let's take your AC.
Oh, it doesn't fully come off because of. Oh, I remember we didn't fully have it off, did we?
Oh no, because of cable tie. Yeah.
Oh, man, wheel light's gonna be fucking dabbling, though, isn't it? Have you got any cable ties?
Not on there. But at least the condenser anyway. It's going straight into your rad.
Yeah, I know. These clips will come off. Just clips, or yeah, just clips. Not scared, me, lad.
Fucking not. I told you now, son. Straight off. Woo! Fuck, really. It's slow spot with him, isn't it? Ooh! Ooh!
You're not going on to.
No, we're going to the weekend today. Like, it's a nice evening to spend out track, isn't it?
Get rid of it. Oh, let's lay out there. I won't do that.
Did you see what he just did? Did that
Oh shit! Oh, he's just come off. Come on, man. Oh, we're good.
What did we next?
Back came out.
I bet.
Oh, it's just in the train.
Really got the hang of the track and the car now. Like I'm not like there was a lot faster laps than the first one. I think I've got it kind of knocked down. Like we were doing some quick laps then. We really was doing some quick laps. I'm happy with it, to be fair. Although it's really soft and weighty, you can kind of use that to your advantage. Like the amount of, the amount of turn off oversteer I get is absolutely loads, or lift off oversteer, really good. So
Is your adrenaline going?
it's just fun. Like she was. Yeah, it was fast, man. It was fast. Can probably get one more run with the fuel I've got, and I'm gonna make sure I film the GoPro this time because it's a lot quicker than it was in the first. So probably look really slow on the first set, but nah, she's good, man. We overtook most things on there. The cars that we could, we were next to anyway. So there was nothing on there quicker than us, or not that I could see. So just a fucking pro driver, lads. That's all it is. It's probably the last time we're gonna go out. Wide there, buddy. Let me free, boy. You know the rules. Scaring the drift car, I'll take it as a compliment.
It is, I guess, yeah.
So much fun. They were horrible in the Evo, but in this, it absolutely loves them.
Not doing this again for you.
Fucking loves it. Just the old Clio loves it. We're getting a bit hot though. miss you.
I always thought I wanted to.
My car's overheating though, so we have to get it pretty quick. He's taking that way too close. Such better line. Come here, you little bastard. Well, brakes are gone. Brakes are gone, guys, and that's the end of it. Brakes are gone. Brakes are gone down, engine's overheating. We would have got him, easily would have got him, but let's cool her down a bit. Alright, let's bang this bumper back on. Little beast. Right, so we're gonna drop James off at the train station. We're gonna get home. She's done unreal again. So proud of her. Oh, take it out of gear for us, lad. Cheers, bro.
You know.
Neutral, you dickhead.
There you go.
Fucking puts it in second, doesn't he? Right. Oh, what's he doing? Oh, has he got an issue? Super life, Jack life. But yeah, thanks for watching, lads. Unreal car. Now I definitely know what I need to do and actually get it done this time instead of saying this. See you later, mate. Instead of saying this last time and then never getting it done. But I've actually got PBS pads to send me out some pads and they're going to be here Monday. So I just need to source myself some discs. And then that's one problem done. But well, thanks for watching, lads. Love you all. So I was just driving back and every time we got to like 4K revs, it was going like a really high pitched rattle. I thought there was something to do with engine because it only coming at 4K, but it's the heat shield around the manifold. It's rattling on the manifold. We looked at the exhaust at the back and the exhaust has actually dropped about 1 inch or 2. So what's happened is the whole exhaust has dropped and now it's just rattling on the heat shield around the manifold. So I'm gonna have to jack up the car and have a look underneath it and see why the exhaust has dropped 1 inch or so. Maybe it's just a hanger, or I'm not quite sure, but I'm gonna have to have, there's no exhaust leaks, I can't hear any leaks, so I think it's just one of the hangers at the back which has come a little bit dislodged. So I'm gonna have to get the jack up and sort it out maybe tomorrow or the day after. But she's good, man, she's good.